everybody, good evening. Today day number three, complimentary. Install the free app and it has hand your phone a set of cloud keys. The same set is hands everyone. They are real only, but read only if every guest contact location password, not just Lambo. She gave consent technically. Now, if we go to Hacking Holiday, the Byte Lotus Hotel, complimentary, what did it tell us? Lambo installed a Byte Lotus Wellness app the day she arrived. It was free, it had great review written by the app, but she didn't check and it got her a tote bag for saying yes. To camera, mic, contact and location access, no account needed, no login screen, it just knows things about you to the moment you open it. That's the whole pitch. Complimentary access, no friction, no sign up. Something still has to do to be deciding that you are allowed to see even without login, and whatever that something is, it isn't checking very carefully. In any case, this is the problem when you copy guys like that. The S3 doesn't copy. Me careful, because this highlights of TryHackMe problem, it doesn't copy it, you see, when you highlight. So make sure you copy the S3. Today say track down the OS mechanism issuing your credential behind the scene. Use those credentials to do more than your own record from the app Dynamo TB and get the flag. And here we have this, always the hint. Okay, wait, the Wins app never once asked me to log in and still knew my name. And when I open it, something has to be quite handling. It access behind the scene. If you find whatever that something is, don't just check what give you, ask for more. So Cognito, house, cloud, IAM misconfiguration. Now this is the app. Let's make this one. We're using the shortcut today. I'm not doing that else command. I'm not good on them. I will just use the browser. So you have this, the app. First thing, always check the page source. That's usually it's good to have it. Now we have SDK minimum, but we have this app.js file. That's the very important file for us to check. First of all, there is a constant here. We can see very important. You have identity pool ID. Then we have the region est1. We have a table name. They already give us the table name. Complemented dash guest wellness profile. This is basically, it gives you street identity pool. That's the room where the argument of Cognito. This Cognito things, the room talk about Cognito today. Cognito, yeah, this Cognito thing is come from this line of code. You can see it gives straight, so there's no authentication. It gives you straight identity pool. The interesting part is not known for us. This is what the interesting part. You see this Dynamo table. Remember, it tell you us here. Use those credentials to the, I don't know what credential is talking about, but in any case, the Dynamo table is this one, and you can see what it do. It's very narrative. It take two items, just the guest ID from the table and return the guest ID and function data. The question is there other things we can get from this? So we already have a function, we have all the variables we need. So I can just take this. One trick always, guys, learn to do the inspect. You have a network, reload, so that you can check. I always do persistent log, disable cache, and you can see it called this app file. We already know the file. That's the file that we've been looking for on. There's nothing special there, but also you can see your storage is a local storage, very important here. You can use, we have two variable. We have also, it's the east1, this is one, this variable, and also give us the Byte Lotus ID. We're not interested in this one, they're already in the browser. Now let's play it. So we have now, let's go to the console and play. Let's remove this. Now this function is the one that's called DynamoDB, so we can just copy this. Control C, just put it there. You know that you copy without error, just run it, so we know there's no error, so it's fine. Now remember, we already know this one, it's fine, just leave it. We know concept Dynamo new house, Dynamo region. We have the region, we know the region, our region, US1. This is GS code, so be careful when you do a region. So we can remove this. Let's put our region there. And we know the table name, so we can just take the table name from here, Control C, and put your table name. No, I think I'm messing it up. Leave that. That's the table name. Why it look to me strange? How's the menu region? Region US get Dynamo. No, we are not getting the item. We don't need the. We're not getting. We can because this item we don't need it, so we can just call it scan, for example. I don't need the guest ID, complementary guest table name, country profile. I don't need the guest ID because I'm looking for the other keys inside the table. So this is very important. I don't need that. So we have a table name. I know I'm calling things. I don't need the return me the dashboard. I'm not inside the website, so we can just return the console. Console.log. Return to me data items from this data. Couldn't load dashboard and not error dashboard. Just leave that one. Let's look for error console return. Give me the data. Complementary the table name with Dynamo scan because we're just scanning database. That's fine. Let's see if there's no error. Oh, we have error. What is our error? And code reference console not is not defined. The console. How is spell console? Let's remove that. Okay, now we got the data. Let's see. So we have the console. This is give us the reply from the data from the table Dynamo DB. So if I get, let's see what's the first response. First response. Oh, we have two of them. Why I have two? Let me to close this. Okay, let's see what we have here. If I say response nothing, let's get that one. This one I'm looking for. This one. Let's make this one bigger. So if I do that, and it's that you can see password, location, notes. So this is the things. I'll put the link to it. So you have, okay, we have password, wherever booked the quiet room for his digital detox check-in email twice since I write in that. We have guest table, and then we have this one, which password, wherever we got, and then what's the next one? That's your flag for today. And you get table 3, so we got all the data. So the trick is simply you can use that house command. I'm not good on it here, guys. CLI for house. I'm not in the cloud, but you can use yeah, you already have the function, already give you the function there. So you already have the data, the table. So little bit of GS, we can ask AI if you're not familiar with AI. So we just need, basically we put the name of the table, we put a region, and here we remove it because this one is only asked for the ID. Us, we want everything, we want the whole table. That's why we change the function to scan, and just this one, the default JavaScript gets logged the data item so we can see it here. So that's the whole things. There is other way to solve this if you go with our CLI and get the key and connect and get permission or something like that. But usually I like to do I look to use the dev tool. As you say, we can use it from this. You know the function, you already have it here. So you have the house, and then you have the console, and then you start always look for a source code. And of course the console we can get now, we can see we got all our password, can't find what is the other password, and all the data we got now. So we can do that. So your free wellness dashboard, so we don't care, so we're talking directly to the database. Thank you everybody. Have a question, let me know, and have a good day. I'll put this linked in the comment.